In this lesson, we will learn about correcting error using sensor-based movements. Such movements will be integrated into our program when collecting the space debris. The robot has been modified to include a color sensor, and the stack of bricks has been moved a step back to give room for the arm to open up and collect the space debris. We continue the code from the last lesson where the robot successfully pushed the rocket. To get the space debris, we raise the arm and make a left turn for -100 degrees. We back up into the wall to correct errors in the robot's position that may have been caused by the robot pushing the rocket. Put in the following movements to get the first space debris. Before getting the second debris, I want to be sure of the robot's position. After the robot backed up to the wall, we had corrected error in one axis or in one direction. To correct error in the other axis or direction, we can make the robot move until the sensor sees this white part of the mat. To test for what the robot sees in various portions of the mat, place the robot with the sensor facing that portion and check the value in the hub connection window. For this to work, the robot must not see any other white value leading up to the value we actually want it to see. So we start moving, and we want the robot to keep moving until the sensor sees white, then the code executes the next block, which is a stop block. Put in the following movements to make the robot pick up the second space debris. I will put in code to make the robot go back to the start area, and play the code to see how it works. Instead of using color, we could also use reflected light intensity to get the robot to move forward until the sensor sees a value greater or less than a chosen threshold value. To calculate this value, we need to find the average of what the sensor sees on the white and what the sensor sees on the surface before the white. Here, the robot sees 97 on the white and 52 in other areas before the white. So the average value is 97 plus 52 divided by 2, which is approximately 75. See you in the next lesson where we look at more ways to correct errors, like by following a line.